Today I am going to explain you chapter number 2, banking. First exercise is given there. Today I am explaining you first exercise. First number question is given there. Manish open a requiring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposit rupees 600. Rupees 600 indicate principal. And for per month for 20 months. 20 months is given time. So we are indicating n equals to 20 month. Then after that what it's given there? It's given 10% rate. You have to see there what is the principal it's given, what is the time it's given, and what is the rate it's given in every question. Then after that you have to applying the formula. What is our formula? I equals to P into n bracket under n plus 1 r by 100, and down it's given 2 into 12. 2 into 12 it's given for the, here it's given month, so 12 indicating a year. Then after that what you have to do, you have to put the principal value 600 into 20 months it's given, 20 plus 1 you are getting 21 here, 10 by 100. Then you have to reduce it. Then after that, after reducing, you are getting I equals to 1050. Then after that what you have to find? You have to find the calculate the maturity value, means you have to find the maturity value. Maturity value formula is P into n plus I. So principal is 600, 600 multiply 20 plus 1050. 1050 I interest rates given. So you have to calculate, you are getting at last 13,050. Second number question is given there. Mr. Matthew open a requiring deposit account in certain bank and deposit 640 rupees. 640 principal per month for 4.5. 4.5 it's given there. You have to do what you have to do. You have to multiply 2 into 4. It's coming 8. 8 plus 1. It's coming 9 by 2. 9 by 2 multiply 12. You are getting. You have to divide it 9 into 6. You are getting 54 months. Then find the maturity value. Then you have to, after that you have to find the maturity value, and what is the rate? Rate it's given 12%. So you have to apply the formula. After applying the formula you are getting interest equals to 9504. Then what is the maturity value formula? It's given P into n into n plus I. So you have to write the values, and after writing the values you have to calculate. You will get 44,064 answer. Now 3 number question is given there. Each of A and B open a requiring deposited account in bank. If A deposited 1200 rupees per month, for A it's a 1200 rupees for 3 years, and B depositing rupees 1500 per month for 2.5 years. So find the maturity values, and what is the rate it's given. Then what is the rate it's given? It's given 10%. So write their principal 1200 rupees for A, and principal for B it's given 1500 rupees. For rate both are same. So write rate A for 10% and for B you have to write 10%. For time 3 years it's given. So 3 multiply 12 you will get 36 months, and here it's given 2.5. 2.5 24. 24 and 6 you are getting 30 months. Then applying the formula for 1 means for A you have to apply this one. You are getting 6,660, and maturity value you have to put the value. At last you are getting 49,860 answer. Then after that you have to solve. Then you have to apply the same formula. After applying the same formula you have to put the values, you have to divide, and after that you are getting 5,812.5 as a interest. So for maturity value for B you are getting this 5,812.5 answer. Now see 4 number. Ashish deposited a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposited for a period of 12 months. So and it's given 12 months. And if the bank pays the interest at the rate of 11%, means rate it's given 11%. So here no principal it's given there, so write principal equals to x. Then after that what is given there? Here it's written, and Ashish get the 12,715 rupees as a maturity value, means the maturity value it's given 12,715 rupees. Then what you have to find? You have to find principal. Then apply the formula. Here in the principal, in the place of principal you have to write x. X multiply 12x, you are getting 12x. Then and it's given 12 months, so you have to write here 12. Then 12 plus 1 you are getting 13. Then after that you have to do the division. Then after that you have to put the values. Then if you are reducing this one, you are getting here you are getting 143x by 200. Take as a equation number 1, otherwise put the values directly. Then what is the maturity value formula? It's given P into N plus I. Then maturity values already it's given 12,715 right here. Then after that what you have to put? You have to put the P value. P value it's given x into 12. You are getting here 12x plus I. Take as a equation number 2. Then what you have to do? You have to put the equation number 1 in equation number 2. So put the value of I in this one. You are getting 143x by 200. Take the LCM. You are getting 2400x plus 143x. Add it. You are getting here 2543x. Then after that what you have to do? You have to multiply 200 with 12,715. You are getting here 2,57,300 you are getting. So divide it. At last you are getting x equals to 1000 as a principal answer. Now see 5 number question. 5 number question it's given there. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of the interest is 12% and per annum, and the man gets 10,206 as maturity values, then find the values of the monthly investment. So what it's given there? Time it's given 3.5 years, rate it's given 10%, and maturity value it's given 10,206 rupees. Apply formula. After applying formula, put the values. You are getting 903x. Take as equation number 1. After that you have to put this I value in here in equation number 2 as a maturity value. Then after that you are getting this answer. After getting this answer, what you have to do? You have to divide with this one. First you have to multiply with 100. You are getting 4200 plus 903x. After that what you have to do? You have to multiply 100 with this one. You are getting this answer. Then after that you have to put the value here. It's given 5103. Bring it here and divide it. You are getting x equals to 200 as a principal. Now our 6 number question is there. Puneet has a recurring deposited in an account of bank and Bank of Baroda and deposit rupees 140 per month in 4 years. He get 8,092 rupees as a maturity value. So what you have to find? You have to find rate. What is the principal it's given? It's given rupees 140. Time it is given 4 years. So you have to multiply 4 into 12. You will get 48 months. Then maturity value it's given 8,092. So you have to write here 8,092. Then apply the formula. You have to put the values. After deducting, after reducing, you are getting 686 R by 5. Because R value, its rate value, it's not given. So you have to write. Then maturity value you have to write. Maturity value formula is P into N into I. You have to put the maturity values, and after that you have to put the interest value. Then what you have to do? You have to divide it. After multiplying with 5, you have to divide it. Then after that you will get R equals to 10%. Now our second number question is there. David open a recurring deposited account in a bank and deposit 300 per month. So 300 is a principal, and per month for 2 years. 2 years means 2 into multiply 12, you will get 24. And what is the maturity value? It's given 7,725 right here. Apply the formula and put the values. You will get I equals to 75. I equals to 75 R you are getting. So after that you have to put maturity value. Maturity value formula is P into N into I. Then put the value of maturity value. After doing this one, you have to put the value of principal 300 into 24 as a N, and it's given 24 months, so you have to multiply with 24. Directly you have to divide with this one, then you will get 7200. Then 7200 with this 7725, you will get 525. 525 divided by 75, you are getting 7%. 7% as a rate. In 7 number question it's given Amit deposited rupees 50. So rupees 50 is your principal in our bank for 8 months. So multiply 8 into 8 months already given. So don't multiply with the 12. Then directly write 8 months. And after that it's given 8%. So write here 8%. On applying the formula you will get I equals to 36. Put as a put here in the maturity value. Maturity value equals to P into N plus I. Then after that you have to put the principal. Then after time, then interest, you have to add it. You will get 1236 answer. So our 8 number question is there. Mr. Geeta deposited rupees 350. So 350 is a principal in a per month in a bank for 1 year. So 1 year you have to do 1 year and 3 months. 1 year's total 12 month is there, plus 3 months you will get 15 months total here. Under the requiring deposited, if the maturities value of her deposited is 5,565, means maturity value you have to write here. Then what you have to find? Rate. Then apply the formula. Then I you will get, just reduce it. Then after that I equals to you will get 35R. After that you have to put the in the maturity values. Maturity values already gets given, so maturity value you have to put. Then you have to put the value of P and N. After that you have to put the interest. Then after that what you have to do? You have to multiply 350 into 15, you will get 5,250. Bring it this side and subtract it, you will get 315. 315 divided by 35, you will get 9% as a rate. See next question, 10 number question. Mr. Gupta has a requiring deposited of rupees 300. So rupees 300 is a principal. If the rate of the interest is 12%, so rate of interest is 12%, and the maturity value is, it's given 8,100 rupees it's given. So you have to write here 8,100 rupees and time you have to find. Then apply this formula. At last what you will get? You will get I equals to 3 by 2 and bracket under n square plus n you are getting. Then after that what you have to do? You have to write here, and after multiplying you are getting 3n square plus 3n by 2. Take as equation number 1. After that you have to put this value in maturity values. Maturity values formula. Then after that you have to solve it. Then after at last you are getting here 8,100 into 2 equals to 63 n square plus 603 n. After that what you have to do? You have to multiply. You are getting 16,200 equals to 3 n square plus 603 n. Bring it here. You are getting here 9 n square plus 603 n minus 16,200. Take the 3 LCM. 3 as a common, then you are getting n square plus 200 n, 201 n and minus 5,400 rupees. Then after that you have to do as a factorization. Then you are getting here n square plus 225 n minus 24 n. If you are subtracting, then again in the return you are getting the same answer. So after that you have to take n common. Here you are getting n plus 225. Here if you are taking 24 common, you are getting n plus 225. So our answer it will come 1 n equals to 24, and one answer it will come n equals to 225 minus 225 answer. Last our question 11 number, that Mr. Gupta opened a requiring deposited account in a bank. He deposited 2,500 as a P, means principal it's given, per month for 2 years. So 2 years equals to 24 months. Then after that you have to calculate the time. For maturity he got maturity it's given 67,500 rupees it's given. So you have to apply the formula. After applying the formula you are getting interest equals to 625R. Put this value here in maturity value also given, principal also given, time also given, interest also given. So you are getting here 2,500 multiplied 24, you are getting 2,500 multiplied 24, you are getting 60,000. Then subtract here, you are getting 7,500 divided by 625, you are getting 12% as a rate.